car goes left without checking.
Oh my gosh.
Scary speed wobble while riding at high speeds. Biker manages to save it from crash. Biker enters roundabout with too much speed, which white truck driver was not expecting.
Woo-wee. Damn, barely saw that.
Almost an accident when car turns left and then stops in front of the biker. Biker drops his motorcycle when car in front hits brakes. Car does not stop before the stop sign. Biker almost gets hit by a car when he tries to overtake it. Harley rider has a close call when car pulls out in front. Car reverses and almost runs into the biker.
I love those like this. I love those like this so much. My absolute favourite.
Angry driver has a problem with the biker.
What? What? What's wrong with me?
Yeah, why you freaking out?
What? I. Why did I flip? When did I flip you off? When did I flip you off?
Why you flip me out?
When did I flip you off?
When I went to the carpool lane, you almost cut me off.
Why are you in the carpool lane? You got nobody with you. You got nobody with you. Why are you in the carpool lane?
Your ass.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Put that camera up, your mother's
Do it. I'll see you on YouTube, buddy. Wait till you show up on YouTube. Wait till you show up on YouTube. Look at this guy. Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Car in front indicates a left, but changes lanes to the right. Audi loses its front wheel. Biker forgets to put down kickstand and drops his motorcycle. Rider hits red car when it stops and then rides away. Biker rides with too much speed into corner and crashes when he hits the curb.
Do you mind if I go in front of? Do you mind if I go in front of you so I don't get hit? Okay.
What's in your hurry?
I gotta be to work in half an hour.
So is it worth 200 bucks?
No, no, it's not.
Because how many cars are you gonna pass?
One or two?
Do you have your license on you?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
You were right on that guy's bumper, and I mean, I was doing 65, in between 65 and 68, so traffic was moving good.
Yeah, he was up and down, up and down. I got you though.
So.
Yep,
See?
just right over there.
Yep. I live here too.
Oh, do you?
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
I'm just trying to head to work.
Yeah.
Slow it down, okay, bud?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay. If I see it again, no more.
No, I got you. No, absolutely, absolutely. Thank you.
Why don't you pull out before I do?
Yep, yes, sir.
Biker rides into the opposite lane when car pulls out in front of him. driver of the white car doesn't maintain his lane and almost hits motorcycle rider. Driver U-turns illegally in front of biker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.